Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Steve, back with another big idea from BFO. Today's section is a little bit about honesty and AI. You've all seen it. Some of you have played with it. I asked for a show of hands when I had the good fortune of emceeing an event last week in Los Angeles. And there were about 150 people in the room, and I asked how many people have used ChatGPT, and all the hands shot up. Then I asked how many people have used or paid for the upgrade to ChatGPT 4, and most of the hands went down, probably about 30 people in the room. And then I asked who's built their own GPT. One lonely hand. And I actually invited her to come on stage later. She declined, of course, but she was the only person in the room that answered yes to every one of my questions. And I thought, of 150 people, there's one person out on the bleeding edge here. We're all using AI-powered tools. Google has AI-powered tools. SEMrush has AI-powered tools. There are AI-powered tools everywhere. Keep using those tools. But if you're going to leverage AI for efficiency and effectiveness in your role, for your agency, whatever the case may be, you're going to need to learn to master the prompts. And you may even want to build your own GPT. Full disclosure, I have not yet built my own. I'm going to very, very soon. But I met this wonderful woman, Emily, who is building her own GPT. She's using human psychology and paid media. She's uploading things about psychology, things that make us tick as humans. She's going to try and match that to her paid media campaigns to see how her GPT can help inform performance improvements in her campaigns. So rather than you or I staring at the data sets that come out of our paid media campaigns, she's going to use AI to upload that data and have her GPT spin through the data and give her some feedback. Now that may or may not work. She said it herself. She's going to take 2 to 3 months to train it. We called it like a Tamagotchi. Remember those toys, if you're old enough to remember those toys, where you'd train it and you'd feed it and you had to do things every day and it kind of grew up? That's kind of what building your own GPT is. You need some criteria around it to make sure you understand what it's supposed to do and why it's supposed to do that. So take a Google Doc on one side, build out your criteria for what you want this thing to do, and then go out and build it. And then check things off the list or to your Google Doc as what you want your GPT to do. Keep working on your GPT. When it's trained and it knows what you want it for, well, then you win. You can use it to make your job easier. Not to put you out of work, but to make you indisposable. Or is that indispensable? It's one of those N words. Pick one. Go out and build yourself a GPT. Talk about the fact that you're building GPTs because it's super cool and you can do it. You can keep using ChatGPT as it is, but if you want to improve the efficiency of your role within your organization, build and model GPTs and train them. Use them for your advantage. Thanks. This has been Big Ideas with BFO. We'll see you next time.